So here is how the Free Fire Gunsmith feature works. Log into your Free Fire account, tap on weapon, tap on armory, and here, if you don't have up to 2 gun skin, you will not be able to use this gunsmith feature. As you can see, this is my M14 here. I don't have any gun skin, so this gunsmith feature here is locked. So as you can see what is writing as I'm tapping on it. So now if I tap on this AK-47 here, and then let me choose here now. So as you can see, my AK-47 here is 1 damage with double rate of fire. So now I want to change it, and I want it to have double damage with 1 rate of fire. So now all you have to do is to click on gunsmith, then click on customize. There you will see the option to choose the attributes you want a gun to have, or the attribute of the gun you want to be using. As you can see, all the damage are almost the same. As you can see, this damage here with this one, they are almost the same. So even if they are saying double damage, they are all the same. So but this one has double damage here, this one. So I want to equip this one, and then I want the AK-47 to have this my blue flame Draco Evo gun, but the feature or the attribute it will be using will be this one. So I'll just click on save, and then it has been automatically equipped. So as you can see now, my Evo gun here now has double damage with 1 rate of fire. Okay, let me do another example here. Like this here, I have my MP40. I've not downloaded the skin. I don't know why the download is taking too much time to download, so I don't know. So here, as you can see, it's on level 6, and I want to switch it to this one. This one is a Crazy Bunny. So I'll just click on gunsmith, click on customize, and then I will select this bunny as the attribute that I want, and then I will select this. So now, instead of my Evo gun to be double rate of fire with 1 armor penetration, it will now be 1 damage and double range. So as you can see here, it's no longer rate of fire. Even if you look at here, this rate of fire here is almost the same thing with this rate of fire here. There's no difference. So here I will just choose it this way, and this bunny, when I save it and equip, as you can see, my Evo gun now has 1 damage with double range. So that's how the Free Fire Gunsmith feature works. If you find this video helpful and you want to watch more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.